Geminis, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading from 21st to 30th of June for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed it yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest readings. Okay? So I will be looking at your past energies, your present and your future energies as well. At the end, I will pick out some cards from the universe and we will see what the messages the universe wants to give to you. Okay? So let's start with my Geminis now. Okay. So your overall energy is Four of Rods. Might be with your family, spending time with your family, being happy, happy reunions, celebrations, some kind of new beginnings as well, new family. Okay, so your past energies are, the cards are Six of Rods, Ten of Cups and Five of Pentacles. I see you celebrating in your past about some things, might be a new job, about a new promotion, and you are very happy with your family. You are spending time with your family. You are there, they are with you, but still you are feeling left out. Please clarify. Then in your present energies, I got Three of Rods, Ace of Pentacles and the Empress. Might be a new relationship or might be something new which you are, you have something in front of you and you find stability in that kind of a thing. Plus it is a little far from you. It's might be little overseas basically, or might be in some kind of other city or state, wherever. So you find this thing very stable and very mature kind of a thing. You feel that. I feel that this is some kind of a job which you are seeking towards and you got that call letter and now you're ready to just pack your bags and move towards that city or that new country, wherever you are. In your future, I see the cards as Three of Pentacles, Five of Rods and Two of Cups. Okay, so you are ready for some kind of new collaboration, new partnership, might be some new business, but just be also prepared for some conflicts as well. Might be some conflicts might arise between you and your partner, or you or the partnership which you are in. So there is something, some kind of conflicts I see. Let's clarify now. Okay, so for Four of Rods, let's see. Okay, the cards are Judgment, Page of Swords, the Chariot and Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so you are ready to set off to this new journey of yours. You are ready. Might be some kind of gossiping going on around you and you are feeling like, I don't care, you are fine with that, it doesn't matter to you, and you are ready to, being the Chariot, you are all set, ready, that you didn't even care whatever the people are saying. you are ready for this new journey. Your family is with you at least, and you are fine with that. Everything has come because you actually did a lot of work for this. You put a lot of pressure, you put a lot of effort in this work, and you finally got that. That is why I see you very happy in your past, celebrating it with your family. Let's see the Five of Pentacles. What is that? Okay, so the Five of Pentacles, for that the cards are Page of Pentacles, Death, and Two of Pentacles. Okay. The reason I feel that you are feeling left out is because you are leaving your family, because you were with your family from quite some time, and there's because you have to move to some new place, or for some people it might be like something else, something which you have to do, but you cannot take your parents, your family with you. So that is why you are feeling little sad, little left out, because you are ready to do this new project of yours, and this is something which will give you a lot of what do we say, a lot of success basically, and that will give you, if this thing is giving you a lot of success, but still leaving your family is sometimes a little hard. That's why you are juggling. Still a decision is, you are waiting for this as well, but still you are like, no, I don't want to go. What will happen when I go? Then what? So this is that kind of energy. Okay. Let's see your present energy. Let's see the Three of Rods. Page of Cups, the Hermit, and the Hangman. Okay. So you are doing some soul searching, and you are looking towards the things in a different perspective. Your perception, the way you look at things now, like you were thinking about the things before, and the way you are thinking them now are very different. Your perspective has changed a lot in this past time, and you are ready to, it doesn't matter. You always don't need a partner sometimes. Basically, you are that kind of a person who wants love, but still, because of so many things which happened to you in your past, you are ready to work on yourself first, and that's why you are moving to some different place. You are waiting for that thing, that new opportunity to come towards you. You will not be the one now, I don't feel that, who will just enter into some kind of relationship just like that. If you want things, you will see whether this thing is stable or not. You are not going to just step your foot like a fool, and you don't even know where are you going. So you have become a lot mature. I really feel that. Okay. So let's clarify the Empress over here. I see conflicts arising in your work for some people, because there are too many things you are thinking about. In your head, you are doing a lot of work is going on in your head, so that's why some kind of conflicts are going on. So, and you are feeling what to do now. You are stuck there because for some people, okay. For some, you are taking. So whatever is happening, you are stuck. You are in between so many things. You are fighting. There are arguments going on in your work and everywhere in your relationships. But you are actually very mature. I see with the Empress. You are taking things very maturely. You are ready to accept anything, and you are like, it doesn't matter to me anymore. Fine, if these things are happening, they are meant to be. So you are very positive thinker basically. That's good. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. The cards are Strength, the World, and Four of Swords. So your healing process is still will be there in your future coming energies, coming days as well, and you will be looking towards your inner health, your inner calmness, your inner happiness, and you'll be working on yourself. I see, and that is why the conflicts, because of the conflicts which arose in your present, which are arising now, they will continue. But you are so much, there is so much of strength, inner strength inside you that it doesn't even matter to you. So that's why you will be like, I'm just going with the flow. It doesn't matter to me. Okay, so let's see the Two of Cups. Okay. So with the World over here and Ten of Swords over here, I feel that there is something which is coming to an end. There's some kind of cycle which is coming to an end. Might be your cycle, your karmic cycle is coming to an end, and you might find a new partner or a soulmate of yours, somebody new person coming towards you. And so stop being so regretful and stop being like, I cannot do, I'm stuck here, my life is gone in vain, I cannot do anything, I'm useless and worthless. So stop thinking about that. Stop it now. And with the Two of Cups, you will feel victorious, and you will find the love of your life. You will find for those who are not searching for love, you might be finding a good job. Basically, soulmate is not just your love of the other person, the other gender. It might be a friend of yours, a partner in your work, a colleague, your family member. It can be anyone. Your soulmate can be anyone. So you will find that person in your work, as I feel that, and you will continue going on with this beautiful relationship. So because your process, your karmic cycle is ending, and that is what I feel. You are healed. The Hermit with the Four of Swords, Hanged Man, your thinking is totally changed. You have done a lot of work within yourself. Okay, so let's see what the universe has for you. The cards are Page of Rods, Page of Pentacles, and the Emperor. Okay, a very beautiful message from these three cards. It's that your karmic cycle is ending, that you know. You have done a lot of soul searching. So now it's time to start things newly. Okay? With the Page of Pentacles and Page of Rods, it means that you have to start things. Like look at those things. If you are doing a project, start from the start from the scratch. Because if you are going towards any relationship, start from the scratch and forget about the past. You are a newbie now again, so there is a lot of learning which has to be done. So be a learner, be the student of your life, and then you will be able to do. If you have a teacher, If the emperor comes in your life, the teacher, the dominating person, accept that as well, because that person might be your father, might be your senior, might be someone you look towards, okay, you look forward to. That person might give you uh, many experiences, might tell you about how they survived from this situation. So if that kind of help is coming towards you, accept that, be the student. Okay, so that's all from my side, Geminis. I really hope you liked my reading. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.